Hi, welcome to the PS Mentor. In the previous tutorial in this series, we learned all about the toolbar in Photoshop. The toolbar is where Photoshop stores all of its various tools, from selection tools to editing tools, type tools, shape tools, navigation tools, and more. There are so many tools, in fact, that not all of them can be displayed in the toolbar at once. If you are new to channel, then subscribe now and watch previous video. So let's start how to reset tools in Photoshop CC 2020. In Photoshop CC, we no longer need to do that. The Reset All Tools command still resets the tools back to their default settings in the options bar. But now, it also resets each spot in the toolbar back to its default, primary tool. To reset the Photoshop toolbar and tool settings. Step 1. Select the default tool. Luckily, we now have a way to instantly reset Photoshop's toolbar back to its default layout thanks to the improved Reset All Tools command. But before we reset the toolbar, there's one important step we need to do. In order for this to work, we first need to select a spot in the toolbar where the default tool is still visible. In my case, and most likely yours, too, the spot at the very top of the toolbar is still showing the Move tool. The Move tool is the default tool for its group. Click on the Move tool to select it. You can also select the Move tool by pressing the letter V on your keyboard. Note that the Move tool itself is not what's important here. You can select any tool as long as it's the default tool for its group. Step 2. Choose Reset All Tools in the options bar. With the default tool selected in the toolbar, if you look up in the options bar along the top of the screen, you'll find the Tool Presets option over on the far left. The Tool Presets option doesn't have an icon of its own. Instead, it displays the icon of whichever tool is currently selected. In my case, it's the Move tool. To reset your toolbar back to its default layout, right-click, Control-click, Mac, on the Tool Presets icon. Then choose Reset All Tools from the menu. Step 3, click OK. To confirm that you want to reset the tools and the toolbar, click OK. And just like that, my toolbar is back to its original layout, with all of the default tools once again visible. And, if I was to select any of the tools, I would see that all of its options in the options bar have been reset to the defaults. Where to go next? And there we have it. The improved Reset All Tools command is great, but it's not the only feature that Adobe has added to the toolbar. As of CC 2015, Photoshop's toolbar is now fully customizable, allowing us to finally create custom toolbar layouts that better match the way we work. In the next lesson in this series, we'll learn how to customize the toolbar in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.